Did you know the air inside your home can be more polluted than the air outside? Dust, allergens, pet dander, mold spores, and other contaminants can accumulate inside your air ducts and dryer vents over time, affecting your indoor air quality, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. At E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning, we provide professional air duct cleaning in Wayne, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners create a healthier living environment. Our thorough cleaning process removes dust, debris, allergens, and contaminants from your HVAC system, allowing cleaner air to circulate throughout your home while improving system efficiency and reducing unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling equipment. Clean air ducts can help reduce allergy symptoms, minimize dust buildup, improve airflow, and contribute to lower energy costs. Whether you've recently completed a renovation, moved into a new home, or haven't had your ducts cleaned in years, professional air duct cleaning is an important part of maintaining a healthy home. Learn more about our air duct cleaning services in Wayne by visiting https://ecleaning-duct-vent-cleaning.com/air-duct-cleaning-in-Wayne/ Your dryer vent also plays a critical role in the safety and efficiency of your home. Over time, lint and debris can build up inside the dryer vent system, restricting airflow and increasing the risk of overheating and dryer fires. A clogged dryer vent can also cause longer drying times, higher utility bills, and premature wear on your appliance. Our professional dryer vent cleaning service in Wayne, Pennsylvania removes lint buildup and obstructions, helping your dryer operate safely and efficiently. Regular dryer vent maintenance can improve performance, reduce drying times, lower energy consumption, and help protect your home from potential fire hazards. Learn more about our dryer vent cleaning services in Wayne by visiting https://ecleaning-duct-vent-cleaning.com/dryer-vent-cleaning-in-Wayne/homeowners throughout Wayne Trust. E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning for reliable service, experienced technicians, advanced equipment, and outstanding customer care. We are committed to helping families enjoy cleaner air, safer homes, and more efficient HVAC and dryer systems. If you're noticing excessive dust, poor airflow, rising energy bills, musty odors, or longer dryer cycles, now is the perfect time to schedule a professional cleaning. Contact E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning today for a free estimate and discover the benefits of professional air duct cleaning and dryer vent cleaning in Wayne, Pennsylvania. Visit https://ecleaning-duct-vent-cleaning.com/air-duct-cleaning-in-wayne/cleaning-in-wayne/. Call us today at 484-367-5944 and breathe easier knowing your home's air systems are clean, safe, and operating at their best.